Walking location number 3. Open Place numero 2. The good old trusty Stoney Point. And I don't know if you can see. That's a Vermont. See where the 2 water towers? The Deer Tower do. And out there's a fishing shanty on Vermont side. And then there's hardly any wind on good old trusty Stoney Point. There's the bridge to Vermont. Le Pont Vermont. That's busy on the Stoney Point, though. Stuck to be. So there's 2 ice fishermen. It's not really windy over here up north. Pour venture, il devrait avoir la chaleur. They must have little heaters. So we're gonna do our walk and go to breakfast. On va faire notre marche puis aller prendre du déjeuner. So, salut to Ross's Point. Goodbye from Ross's Point.